In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is a popular and trusted decentralized wallet that allows you to manage your cryptocurrency with ease directly from your web browser. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or a seasoned enthusiast, setting up a MetaMask wallet is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through every step. Let's begin by navigating to the official MetaMask website. Open your preferred web browser and type in https://metamask.io in the address bar. It's crucial to ensure you're on the official site to keep your information secure. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to download MetaMask at the top. Click on the Download button. Now, you'll need to select the version suitable for your browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or another supported browser, MetaMask has the right extension waiting for you. After selecting your browser, you will be redirected to the appropriate extension or add-on page. For Chrome users, click on Add to Chrome, followed by Add Extension to initiate the installation. This will integrate MetaMask smoothly into your browser, allowing quick and convenient access. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice a small fox icon that appears in your browser's toolbar. This is your gateway to MetaMask. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will open up the MetaMask interface. Welcome aboard. The very first thing you should see is a Get Started button. Clicking this takes you to the next screen where you have the option to create a new wallet. Select Create a Wallet to begin the setup process. Here, you'll be prompted to set a strong password. This protects your wallet from unauthorized access, so make sure it's something unique and secure. Once you've set your password, click Create to move forward. Now, MetaMask emphasizes the importance of securing your wallet. Click on Secure My Wallet and follow the instructions on screen to reveal your secret recovery phrase. This is a crucial step you must not skip. Your secret recovery phrase is a unique 12-word phrase that acts as a backup for accessing your wallet. It's vital to write this phrase down on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Do not store it digitally or share it with anyone, as access to it means access to your wallet. After you've safely recorded your recovery phrase, you'll need to confirm it by re-entering the words in the exact order. It's a small but significant step in securing your funds. Once confirmed, click on All Done, and there you have it. Your MetaMask wallet is now fully set up and ready for use. Congratulations on taking your first step into the decentralized world of cryptocurrency. With MetaMask, you're in control of your financial journey, and I look forward to seeing what you'll achieve.